Are you getting too many annoying notifications from a specific app on your iPhone? Whether it's constant alerts, sounds, or banners. In this guide, I will show you how to turn them off completely or customize them exactly the way you want. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Now scroll down and tap on Notifications. Here you will see a list of all the apps installed on your iPhone. Find and tap on the app for which you want to manage notifications. At the top, you will see a toggle for Allow Notifications. If you want to completely turn off notifications, simply turn this off. If you don't want to disable them entirely, you can customize them instead. One of the settings you can change and make an app's notifications less annoying, especially if that app is sending too many alerts, is notification delivery. Here, immediate delivery is selected by default, which sends the alert to you right away. What you can do here is select scheduled delivery, which will hold the alert back and deliver it inside a scheduled summary at specific times of the day, along with other less important alerts. Moving on, you can control lock screen notifications, notification center alerts, and banners. Just select the kind of alerts you want to receive for this particular app. You can also turn sounds on and off, disable the badge icon, and change whether you want the alert to be mirrored on your Mac. If the app supports it, you can also adjust notification grouping and preview settings. If the notifications feel too overwhelming, try turning off sound but keeping badges or banners on. That way, you can stay updated without constant interruptions. That's it. Now you know how to turn off or customize notifications for any app on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more iPhone tips on iOS Hacker. Thanks for watching.